Alex Crescenti was watching the city council meeting earlier today. Ben has the latest on that, Alex.
That's right. The vote was 4-2 against the mandate. Many of the council members acknowledging the seriousness of the situation, but leaving it up to personal responsibility. However, leaders from Kootenai-Health say this situation is getting worse and it will take an entire community effort to get this virus under control.
We are increasingly concerned about the spread of COVID-19 in the community.
Top officials from Kootenai-Health painting a picture Monday morning to express the seriousness of the rising cases of coronavirus in the area.
Kootenai-Health has been hovering near capacity for medical and surgical patients for several weeks. We have already been unable to accept dozens of patients we typically care for from other smaller communities in North Idaho.
A mask mandate would have required every person to wear a face covering when at any indoor or outdoor public place. However, some council members saying they have faith in other residents' decisions to do what is best for their health and others.
Just because as elected representatives of Post Falls we can't impose a mandate doesn't mean that we should.
As residents gathered outside City Hall in opposition of the mask mandate, Council President Linda Wilhelm said she is troubled by the fear, anger, and divide in the community.
I feel like a mandatory mask mandate that is criminalized is only going to make that divide deeper.
However, Councilmember Steve Anthony has worked on the front lines of the COVID pandemic in Kootenai County and says if even one life is saved by wearing a mask, it's worth it.
I'd like to have somebody just come up and spend a day with me up there out front on that. Just see what it's like. It's a different world.
After the vote was struck down 4-2 by the council, CEO of Kootenai-Health, John Ness, delivered this concerning remark.
I think this situation is going to get worse. I wish I didn't have to say that.
Now, Mayor Ron Jacobson did say after the vote that if it ended in a 3-3 tie, he would have voted in favor of the mask mandate. And at the end of the meeting, the city council did pass a resolution calling for masks to be recommended in the city, and that will be voted on fully next week. Reporting in studio, Alex Crescenti, 4 News Now.